morning children. Today is the revision of geography lesson 1. So I have given here 5 questions to you for revision, and last time I told you to revise, to prepare all the questions for the test, and in this session I have given you 5 questions to do. So the first question is, explain the following terms. The first one is biosphere. So you have to explain this. So what is biosphere, children? Biosphere includes plant kingdom and animal kingdom. This is also called the living world. The other name of biosphere is living world. Okay, children? And second one is lithosphere. What does lithosphere mean? So children, lithosphere refers to outer layer of the crust. So this is the outer part of the crust. Lithosphere is related to rocky surface of the area, and it also includes rocks and mountains. And the third one is pollution. What does pollution mean? So children, there are so many types of pollution: water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, etc., etc. But when we talk about pollution, because this chapter is totally related to environment, so here you have to tell about what environmental pollution. So children, remember this: environmental pollution is the result of unplanned and unwise use of natural resources by human activities. So this is known as environmental pollution, and because of environmental pollution, human beings are facing so many problems. Okay, children? So 3 questions are given to you as to define them, and biosphere, lithosphere, and the third one is pollution. And the next question is, the Chipko movement was started in. So here you have to mention the state. So children, when I explained the chapter to you, I have told you that this particular movement started in Uttarakhand. So the right answer is Uttarakhand. The next question is, the word environment has been derived from dash language. So you have to tell from which word the word environment has come. So the right answer is French language. Okay, children? And question number 4. Why did the Chipko movement take place? Children, when I explained this chapter to you, I told you that in 1973, this movement occurred in Uttarakhand, and the main purpose of this movement was that to protect trees. So people, they protested against the indiscriminate cutting down of trees by hugging the trees and by giving the message not to cut down the trees. So this movement later on became famous as the Chipko movement. Okay. And what are the reasons for environmental pollution? Children, you have to point out the main reasons due to which the environmental pollution is occurring. So there are so many reasons, children. The first one is deforestation. Second one is unplanned and unwise use of technology. And the third one is the pollutions coming down from the factories and big industries. Okay, children? And the next is when people became greed, when they use the natural resources indiscriminately. So that is also a reason that people should not become greedy for natural resources. We must think about future generation also. So there are so many reasons of the environmental pollution. Okay, children? So these 5, I have given to you here 5 questions, and this session is for your revision of geography lesson 1. Okay, so in the next session I'll give you another 5 to 6 questions of revision, so prepare them. Okay, children, good day.